Well, good morning everyone, this is George Beirut here giving you the market report for Thursday morning 6th of November. FS Securities is a stockbroking firm located on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. A bit more about the company later in this presentation. Now to the disclaimer. Everything I say here is for general advice and general information only. Before you take any action, please consult with your professional advisor or talk to us directly. A copy of this disclaimer is available to you should you wish to receive it. Please call the office to receive a copy. Today we continue with our technical stroke education series. We do part 3 on stochastic, and today we talk about the difference between stochastic fast and stochastic slow. Alright, before that we had a comprehensive series on options and futures contract as well. So all these information happens to be available on the website. All you need to do is go there, and if you're not already a member, you can subscribe on a 15-day free trial. Okay, I'll tell you what happened overnight. We start with Wall Street. We've seen US stocks finishing higher. That was on the back of a good win by the Republican Party in the US mid-term election. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished at 17,484. That is up 0.6%, and that is a new record level. The S&P 500 finished up 0.6% at 2,024. The market will still be waiting for the US unemployment figures on Friday night our time. In Europe, the Stoxx 50 index that comprises several European major markets was up by nearly 2%. In London, the FTSE 100 index was up by 1.3%. In Japan, the Nikkei index was up by 0.4%. In China, the Shanghai index went the other way and was down 0.4%. On the commodities, gold a short time ago was trading at 1,143 US per ounce. That is down $24 from this time yesterday. But it is now $90 below when it finished about 10 days ago. Silver this morning was at $15.25, down 4% or 80 cents overnight. And over the last couple of weeks, it is now down by 10%. Oil closed at 78.8 US a barrel. That is up $1.80 overnight. And copper, the world's economic barometer, down 0.5% at 300 cents per pound. And iron ore, which is important for our miners such as BHP, Rio, Atlas Iron and Fortescue, fell 2% at 76.5 US a ton, and this is the lowest level in 5 years. On the currencies, our dollar is now 85.78 US cents, and that is the lowest in 4 years. 98.32 Japanese yen, 68.7 euro cents, and 53.7 British pence. These are intrabanks rates. On our market yesterday, the benchmark ASX 200 index finished almost steady from previous session. A rebound in Woolworths shares and a bumper profit results from the Commonwealth Bank were not enough to push the share market deep into the black, with the resources sector dragging shares lower. The best performer amongst the leaders, the top 20, we have Woolworths up 2.5%, followed by CBA up by 1%. And the worst performer was Santos, down 2.3%, followed by Westfield, down 1%. On the announcement, I mentioned that what happens, there are certain announcements in Australia and overseas that can affect the market. Today we have the unemployment figures coming out in Australia. Economists predicted that the unemployment rate in Australia would be 6.1. Now when you consider last month, it was also 6.1 when it was declared last month. However, the Bureau of Statistics has revised those figures for last month to 6.2. So should the figures today are 6.1, that will be a slight improvement on the revised figures from last month. It is believed that 10,000 extra jobs have been created during last month. Okay, every day we update the market volume to show the trend over the last 3 weeks. We also like to show the ratio of advances to declines. It really shows the strength of the momentum and how the buyers and sellers interact. I believe this is one of many ways to understand the trend of the market. Again, this chart is available on our market report that we send to our subscribers every day and we place on the website. Yesterday, even though we had 37% of all the shares advancing, you can see that the volume was extremely low. So with the low volume and more advances and declines, that really shows that the market is at the moment sitting on the sideline. The big players are sitting on the sideline and not trading heavily. Okay, we finish off by giving you the 10 top companies that have traded as well as the 10 worst performing companies. Starting from the bottom, Bidel, Atlas Iron and BC Iron were actually the worst companies. We have Aurora on the top side, CSR on the top side. Okay, let me finish off by telling you who I am. My name is George Beiruthi. I'm the director here at FS Securities. As you can see, I have many years of trading and investment experience and several qualifications to support what I offer my clients. My ambition today is to help our clients and prospective clients to become effective investors and traders. Now, how to reach us? Well, we are a phone call away, 61 for Australia, 7 for Queensland, 56304141, that's the landline. You can call me on my mobile. I am available to be reached 7 days a week. There is my email address, george@fssecurities.com.au, and of course you can visit our website and you can also see all the information that we provide on the website. Now, once again, we are a stockbroking firm here on the Gold Coast in Queensland. Our mission is to educate our clients and work with them as consultants to pick trades and manage their portfolio. We like our clients to be engaged with us, if not each trade, at least for most. We trade equities, options, commodities, CFDs, futures and foreign exchange, and we offer our clients and prospective clients a very attractive investment at 7% over 1 year, interest paid monthly, or 9% over 3 years, interest paid monthly as well. We are financial planners and cater for all your financial needs. So that's all from us here at FS Securities. Remember to trade safely and wisely. We will be back at 1:15 this afternoon to tell you what happened during the morning. Have a fantastic day.